Hey guys, this is Disha and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I paint this painting. So if you want to know how I paint this, then keep on watching. So first I have taken dark blue paint to paint the background with flat brush and spreading it all over the paper. Here I am inserting another paper so that its paint does not get stick on another paper of this mini book, and I am applying blue color all over the paper. And here I thought that color is little light, so I applied more blue color on it. And after the color dried, I have started to paint the petals of the flower. Here I have used the color yellow mixed with little bit of brown color so that it will create dark yellow warm color. And I am creating the petal in downward, 4 petals on each flower. Here I am going to create another flower with 3 petals on it, and it will be small as compared to other 2 flowers above. And now I am going to put dots on the paper above and one on the downside. And now with white paint I am putting some dots on above the flower, all of 3 flowers. And with light green color I started making branches of these 3 flowers, and I will also make branches of the birds. Take little bit of light green color and start making leaves like these with fine brush. Here I am making small leaves on a branch which is extending toward its ending, and I am making that kind of branch on the right side as well. And now on the down side of the flower, on the left hand side, started to make in the middle of the flower as well that kind of branch which have smaller leaves on it. And now I have taken dark green color to make detailing of these leaves, and I am making fine details like realistic leaves have on these leaves. And here I am making leaf with a dark green color as well, and so that it will look like these leaves are behind the flower. Now I have taken light yellow color to make petals on the above flower so that it will give fresh look, or we can say realistic look to the flower. And now here you can see that it has started to look realistic. And here I
there's not much to do when all I can
Here is the
is
final
thinking
painting.
about you.
And thanks
Not
for watching,
doing
and if
well.
you enjoyed the video,
Don't know
then
where you
hit
are,
the like button
'cause
and
you're
bye.
not here. It's been way too